Hey everyone, I'm Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to apply the Effortless Lash Kit. It now includes our best-selling style, Understated, a mini glue and go pen, and our 2 easy lash applicator. Everything you need to apply your first pair of lashes. We recommend curling your natural lashes and applying mascara before you apply your falsies. I've already curled my natural lashes and used our Pretty Big Deal Peptide and Tubing Mascara. Now I'm just going to remove the lash from the tray using the mini 2 Easy Lash Applicator. Always lift from the band and never the fibers. And then I'm going to toggle or wiggle the band back and forth with my fingers. Remember, effortless lashes are on a 3/4 length band, so you don't need to measure or trim them. First, shake the glue and go pen. Then, starting with one eye, apply the glue and go pen directly onto your lash line from inner to outer corner. Using the 2 Easy Lash Applicator for precise application, place the lash along your lash line. Aim towards the center of your lid as close to your natural lash line as possible. I basically want the lash to touch my skin and my natural lashes. Once you're happy with your placement, adjust the corners and secure them down. The applicator acts as an extension of your hand, helping you achieve seamless application. Also, you won't have your fingers blocking your view. Now, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Line, lash, and that's it.